that I'm gonna be posting on YouTube, and it is for a very, very close friend of mine, MysteryMan2141. You can check him out on Twitch. He's an everyday gamer just trying to help you with your boredom. He's a really cool guy. He's really good at gaming, and he enjoys it, and I think you will too. So check him out, interact with him, say hey, what's up, say hey, I saw Jonathan's building your computer. Let him know what's up or what you think. So what we went with is we're going with the Cougar Conquer, a pretty popular case right now, or I don't know if it's new or old, whatever it is, but see a lot of people building it, and it looks like a very cool, interesting case, and I'm excited to get this built for them. It's gonna be a one-of-a-kind build, and I'm telling you, stay tuned, because I'm gonna do a couple of different parts in this video, in this series, about building this entire system from the ground up. And we're gonna start by just going ahead and unboxing this. Might as well. So let's go ahead and grab out the handy dandy knife. It looks like they got a partition right here coming down the middle. The box is kind of set up in an odd fashion. As you can see, it's got like just one side's larger than the other. Probably should set it down on its side though. What do you think? Gonna go with yes. Let's lay it down on its side. Alright, can you still see that? Big old case. Just prop you up right there. Stay. Of course. Gotta be difficult. Ooh, look at that. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. I really like the finish on this. It's really kind of cool. Let's see if we can't get this adjusted down some. I really like the way that they've got it all laid out here. Very professional looking. It's that little extra touch. You know, you got all your little mounting bracket, or your posts and your end post screws that, you know, you have your plate, your glass plate on there, and then these will go through it. So it's a really cool way to display this and set up the whole look for the whole PC. Okay, so I did say it came with 3 case fans. So we've got 2 here. These are the orange Cougar LED case fans. We're not going to be using these, but if anybody in chat is looking for some specifically orange fans, please let me know. And if you're subscribed, then I will send you all 3 of these fans. Woo! I mean, they're not bad looking. They're orange. I guess they probably light up. They might not. Who knows? But if you want them, let me know. They're yours. Let's see. Looks like we got a little accessories sort of tray here. Yeah, got the motherboard standoffs, cable ties, accessories kit, needed stuff. Looks like we got some fan grills. Got 3 of them. So we're still missing one fan, wherever that happens to be. But so you got these fan grills. It's kind of cool. Adds like a little bit of style to it, I guess, if you're into that kind of thing. Let's see. These are all different types of mounting burgers. These look like the actual pad feet. You got the pads on the bottom, right through there. So I think these are the actual feet. Actually, I'm gonna just try to lift this whole plate out. Oh my goodness. Whatever, it doesn't have to be perfect. You just have to pick it up. I mean, you already saw these pieces, but you got your feet. Probably something to do with the power supply. Who knows? We'll find out soon though. Looks like here we have our glass panels, which I really like the shape of these. They're really quite unique. I mean, you don't get that really in any other case. That's really cool. Just the shape of it itself. I think it's gonna look really good when it comes out. And then we got panel number 2. Let me see. Keep that foam there with it. Alright, so found case fan number 3. Is hidden way over here. So number 3, like I said, if you're looking for some orange case fans, to be specific, 3 of them, please let me know down in the comments, and they're yours, as long as you're a subscriber. I don't have like 5, so I'll be able to tell. Alright, so we got one more big piece of packing material. I will say that they have this thing packed really, really well to keep the shape and everything with it. And I mean, it's secure in here. It's not going anywhere. You got it really cut out well. I don't know. You can see all the way down to the bottom. They have it really wedged in here well. I mean, when you're buying a case, I mean, you really don't want it to be flopping around in there. Everything has been really well packed in here, so I give them an A+ on that one. Let's see. So we got our little information pamphlet, our instructions. I need that put together. Let's see what they look like. Pretty straightforward instructions, not bad. I mean, looks simple enough. Should be able to get it done easy enough. And then we got just the advertisement showing all the different Cougar gear that they have. That's neat. And then let's try to see if we can't get There we go. Okay, so this still needs to be attached, so be careful when you do lift this out. It's not completely secure. You see it kind of a little bit flimsy, but you can really see the shape of it. It's gonna come out really nice, I think. Definitely a unique case. I think Mystery Man's gonna love his new PC. I know Mystery Man is excited. He's a real good friend. We've been friends for a long time, so he's really taking a blind eye on this one. He doesn't really know what he's gonna get, but I'm telling him it's gonna be good either way. He'll be happy. So I'm sure you will be too if you just stick around and hang out.